My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I will show you the refinance coin. What's the price change goes in the refinance, what's the high price of refinance, and what's next in the refinance coin. In this video I will show you with the live proof. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please make sure to subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is live price predictions of the refinance coin of the last 1 hour. As you can see here, the change occurred in the refinance in the last 1 hour as a negative 0.2%, and the high price of the refinance is $0.038113 is the high price of refinance in the last 1 hour, friends. So the change is negative. As you can see here, they are fast down from the last 5 minutes. They fast down at this time, friends. That is a live price prediction of the last 1 hour you are watching now, friends. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction of the refinance. What's the price change goes in the last 1 day. As you can see here, a really complex structure of the graph. As you can see here, the change occurred in the refinance in the last 1 day. The 1 day change is negative 0.75%, and the high price of refinance is $0.03876 is the high price of refinance in the last 1 day period, friends. Now if you look at the chart analysis of the refinance coins, with the graph tells us that a very great fall occur in the refinance, and but now at this time the last 2 hours they take a jump, and now the last 1 hour, as I show you in the start of this video, again start falling down, friends. So according to the price predictions of the refinance coin, my suggestion for all refinance holders that please hold your refinance coin with the last of this month, because the explosion are coming soon of refinance. So please wait for refinance pump. Be patient for a refinance jump coming soon. Wait for it. And if you want to refinance, if you want to buy a refinance coin, so please, it's not best time to buy a refinance coin. Okay, please wait. When they start jumping, when they start explosion, it's the best time for you to buy a refinance coin. Now it's not best time for you. What's your opinion about refinance coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.